Alright folks, this is a piece of willow that I pulled off the beach well, for me it was yesterday, or the day before, one of those. But you can see it's got some spalting, but it's also the most punky, crazy wood. I don't know what it's going to do once I start turning it. Sometimes this stuff is just good luck. But I'm going to try, because if I can get it to turn, it'll be pretty. And then we'll see. And if it works, I've got more, because it was a big piece. All right. Let's see what we can do.
Ah yes, welcome back. Today, Zed has decided that logic, practicality, and basic material science are merely suggestions, and is proudly attempting to turn a punky, spalted piece of washed-up driftwood he dragged home from the beach near Morro Rock, because apparently, when you see unstable rotting coastal debris, the only correct choice is, I can make a bowl out of that. This wood is willow. Which is nature's polite way of saying, good luck getting a clean cut, champ. As you observe, Zed will now bravely attempt to turn this spongy fungal memory foam with tools that were designed for wood that still identifies as wood. Watch closely as tear out appears faster than Zed's excuses. And each tool pass removes a different structural dimension than the one he was aiming at. The wood fibers aren't cutting, they are negotiating their exit strategy. At this stage, Zed may choose from the traditional solutions. 1. Sharpen tools every 14 seconds. 2. Pretend it's rustic on purpose. 3. Saturate with enough CA glue to assemble a small airplane. 4. My personal favorite, blame humidity. Will Zed prevail and create a usable piece of art? Or will this become yet another learning experience that quietly transitions to firewood, mulch, or a very emotional Instagram post? Stay tuned, as there is always a non-zero chance of success on this channel.
All right, number 437 Finally got the number right the second time. Willow bowl. What do you think of that? Look at the colors in that. That is amazing. And burning it had a kind of a marine smell, for lack of a better term, but some nice spalting. I think this orange is also a type of spalting. This is the black is definitely spalting. You saw I struggled with the tear out. I think I got it though. It was bad here in the end grain, but perseverance. Anyway, that was a fun one. Stay tuned for the montage. Hit those buttons, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Can you believe he said that? Like, how cute.
You can put me in the trash can, throw me on the sidewalk, drop me at the crossroads, sell me at the thrift shop. I don't really care where you send me, send me, send me. No, I don't really care. You can drop me in the ocean, leave me in the alley, hide me in the basement, or leave me at the lost and found. I don't really care where you lose me, lose me, lose me, or if you choose me. I'm a genius, didn't even graduate, don't have a blue check, not verified, but when I go out, I feel satisfied. Cause I'm hot and pretty and I got nice